KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you another recipe on my smoked pulled pork. This is my smoked pulled pork tacos. These are really good, really hearty, and quite simple to do if you have the pulled pork. Now, if you don't want to go to the effort of making pulled pork yourself, well, you can actually now buy that from your local supermarket. They've got that in the refrigerated meat section. Anyway, enough of that, let's get on with it. So I'm going to make up my pulled pork. You can go back, I'll leave a link in the description on how to make your own pulled pork on the smoker. Absolutely perfect, tastes amazing. Alright, so we've got our pulled pork all happening right there, and all we have to do now is make up our tacos. Now I'm going to need all of this stuff, and I'm going to make up a nice fresh salsa to put with our pork. Now that pork has a nice acidic dressing on there. Now I'm using my little chopper device here. You buy those from your local supplier. They'll cost you anywhere between $20 to $80. The $20 ones are absolutely fine. So here I've got a little bit of cucumber. I've just cut those into slices around about sort of 10 millimeters thick, and I'm going to just whack those straight through and put those in the little holding container underneath. I'm going to do the same with some tomato. Alright, so I'll just slice those, around about that sort of 8 to 10 millimeter thick type thickness, and we're just going to chop that and just let it all accumulate in the receptacle underneath. Right, and making a salsa is no rocket science. I'm just showing you what you can do with a whole heap of pulled pork that you have left over. It was about a 2.1 kilo piece of pork shoulder that we smoked off, and the amount of different recipes that we can make out of that is just mind-blowing. Right, give all of that a bit of a stir. 400 gram can of black beans, which I have rinsed and of course drained. We're going to mix that through, and make sure you spill some on the bench, otherwise you are not doing that correctly. Okay, so they can just go straight back in. We do wash this bench down every time before we start cooking. A little bit of salt to taste. You can put as much or little as you like. Right, the black beans, they can actually absorb quite a bit of salt. I get the salt reduced version of those anyway. So just give that all a bit of a stir from time to time. You might need to pick everything up off the bench. The reason why I spill everything is of course my MS, and I just don't control my hands as well at all times. A little bit of lime or lemon juice, you can put that straight in over the top, and our tacos are pretty much done at this stage, all ready to go. Here I've got my pulled pork in a bowl. I've got a little bit of sweet baby rays with a little bit of lime or lemon juice, just to dilute that a little bit and give it a little bit more of an acidic kick, just to take a little bit of that sweetness out. All we need to do now is give that a good stir to that sauce, and it is time to make up our amazing smoked pulled pork tacos. Alright, I'm going to whack that in a pan and just get a little bit of heat happening. That pork has cooled down since we originally did it. We're doing this the next night, of course, and it's got a little bit of heat in that just to warm it through and dissolve any of the fat that will be sticking to that pulled pork. And believe me, there is a fair bit of fat in there, and fat is flavour. Alright, so all you have to do now is put down some of the meat, some of the salsa, maybe a little bit of shredded lettuce, and there you go. You've got KP's smoked pulled pork tacos. Love to see you try and make these ones at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get down to KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please leave a comment. I love reading, I love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want another idea on what to do with some pulled pork that you have made and you've got left over, or you've just want to buy some pulled pork from the supermarket and make these, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again after I eat my smoked pulled pork tacos, and I will catch you next time. Bye.